Well, welcome back. We want to help you lower your bills, right?
Yeah, specifically your energy bill. You talk about sticker shock, Desiree. If you haven't been here for an Arizona summer and you get that July bill and you're like, wow, that's like close to my mortgage.
Yeah, for sure.
So what can we do? Hello, Des.
Hey, Des.
Hey, yeah, we moved into our new house and we made it through a summer and quite shocked by some of the bills. So we're here speaking with Elena. You're with Ideal Air Conditioning and Insulation. First of all, tell us what Ideal does and what you guys help homeowners do.
Yeah, absolutely. So our company is more of a performance-based air conditioning company. So we're really big on, making sure that we're addressing the house as a system. So the HVAC system, ductwork, insulation, energy efficiency is all a really big part of what we do, and making sure that, rooms are comfortable in people's homes.
And making sure that we're efficient about it and not spending so much money, let's say, for example, just running our air all day long, losing a lot of money. So you're at this home this morning and we're looking up in the attic. What are you guys doing up there and how is this helping this homeowner in the long run?
Yeah, so today, this attic specifically has about 5 inches on average of cellulose insulation. And so what we're doing is we're blowing insulation into the attic space, just making sure that every room can be even and improve the comfort of the home.
Okay, so you're adding kind of more of a layer of insulation up there, and that'll do what?
It's going to improve the comfort of the home and then also help save energy off of their SRP and APS bill. But this home specifically is an SRP customer.
Okay, and if we head inside, oh, look at Brian got up on the ladder for us. So he's really looking up in there. And if we have pockets, like let's say in our attic of low insulation, that is what? Allowing some of our air and AC maybe to escape and not keeping the houses cool?
Right, exactly. So if you have areas in the attic that don't have any insulation, basically gaps, voids, what that does is it allows that home to essentially just heat up, a lot faster than a home that is insulated well. And then in turn, that just has a direct correlation with increasing the energy bills of the home.
Okay, so we'll come down off the ladder and head into the home now and tell us as we head inside, what are some of the things you're looking at in here?
Right. So a lot of the things that we want to address, especially, tips that homeowners can do on their own. So window shading, just making sure that sunstruck windows specifically are shaded from the outside. So a lot of people think that if they just shut their blinds, that's going to help solve their problem. But in reality, we really want to prevent, the sun from even penetrating that window in the first place.
So those exterior sun shades really do help.
Absolutely. Or even if you could just plant a tree, just something as simple as that. Really, whatever you can to shade the window from the outside.
Okay, and Alex is in here too. You have some filters. Talk about what's the best filter that we should be looking at.
So actually, if we pan over here and look over by his return, typically what we want to see just a regular standard 1-inch pleated filter.
So these are some of the cheaper ones too, right?
They are. Yep. Believe it or not, a lot of homeowners think that, I got to buy the best filter and that's going to give me the best efficiency. Yeah. But in reality, unless your return is designed for that, you want to go with something that's a little bit lower cost.
So this allows for better airflow. It's not as thick.
Yep, absolutely. And just making sure that it's getting changed out. So if we look at this filter, this one is well past due.
How often do we need to change them?
Yeah, standard 1-inch filter needs to be changed at least once a month. Yeah, so really stay on it. It's one of the most common issues that we see with systems, and we get calls every year where system isn't cooling properly, and it's because the filter wasn't changed out.
Okay, so those are some easy things we can do, you guys. So changing out the filter, buying the correct filter, those outdoor sunscreens, and then obviously bigger projects. If you need to replace your air conditioning unit, these guys handle it all. You can find their information on our website, fox10phoenix.com.
Yeah, great ideas, Des. We were just... our bills, anything you can do to bring your energy bill down in the summer is worth it.
Yeah. And those sunshades really work.
Yes.
All right, we'll be right back.